Now it's time for our tool number 18, and that is HEDRA.com. So this is how HEDRA.com website actually looks like. This is the most extraordinary productive platform to create your content. If you will head down over here, you can create images, videos and audios. In nowadays, a few months ago or even today, you have seen all these baby podcast characters that were really very famous in the on the internet, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. These types of podcasts go blowing up like magic on the internet, especially on Instagram. It's getting millions of views. But do you know how these baby podcasts were actually made? These were basically made from this tool, HEDRA.com. So what I will do right now is I will show you a step-by-step process how you can create your baby podcast for yourself that will blow up your mind, and even you will love this tool. You will love this tool so much that every day you want to upload something related to creating your own baby podcast or own baby video, and you will upload that on the internet. You will stop recording or stop creating content of yourself. You will just love this baby cute little babies of yourself, cute little version of yourself so much that you will forget everything related to content creation or doing viral or stuff like that. So let's head on to HEDRA.com, and first thing that I will do is I will log in with my email account. If you are someone new to this platform, what I want you to do is just go ahead, log in or sign up with your email account or a Gmail account, and you will get into it within a few moments. So this is how the HEDRA actually looks like when you will jump in on this platform. So you will find our video, images, audio, real-time avatar, library and more. I have created only three videos, but these videos were just amazing. So if we back in more before that 9 seconds, you want a free version was that you can create only up to 10 seconds of video, and you get few totems to create all of these things. So let's get started with creating our first baby podcast video. So let's jump in, let's get into videos. And what I have to do right now is add character, add speech. So I will create it for Instagram. I will upload an image. Or what I need to do first is I have to go to ChatGPT, go to new chat, and I will upload the image. Or let's first state, because I think so I will not able to upload my image just because I am not using the ChatGPT paid version. So what I will do to create that exact baby podcast is I will head on to Canva. I will choose an image of a baby so that it would be really easier for me to explain you. If you are someone using ChatGPT, the best thing that you can do, head over to ChatGPT, or the best thing I should do to show you is I should simply go to Pilot so that it will also work for me. So that let's get into Pilot, because I want to first turn that image into a baby image. Then from baby image, I will turn that into a podcast. So what I will do right now, I will upload an image over here. So let me first sign in, and then I'll show you how to do that. So first what I will do is first I will upload the image that I want to convert it into a baby image. So you can simply use ChatGPT, or because my ChatGPT is not taking the image anymore, it's just I'm using the free version, so there is a limit to upload or generate an image. So I could just jump into Pilot and I will do the same thing over here. So I will just upload one image. Right now, this image of a woman. Turn this image into a baby podcast image. Hit enter. And now let's wait for a few more seconds for Pilot to convert this into a baby image. And we will see what would be our final result. So over here you can see this is the final look of my image turning into a baby podcast image. And this image looks so cute that I cannot even explain or describe. This was the image that I uploaded over here that you can see. And this is the final result, and this result is really very cute. So what I will do is I will download now this image. I will head on to HEDRA. I will add the image, or I will upload the image over here based on what I downloaded. Now I need a speech, so I will create it over here. So I need an audio of a woman. So type in something, it's up to 10 seconds. So I will head on to Pilot. Give me a 10 seconds short script on any topic. Or do something. No, on any topic would be the best thing. Let's see what I did. I need just 10 seconds. Welcome to Tiny Wonder where in just seconds we uncover the magic of everyday life. Today wonder. So let's copy this. This is quite good. So I will copy this from here. I will head on to HEDRA. I will paste it. And I will show you the final thing at the end of the video. So now I will again go to Pilot. Now I want you to generate a prompt where the baby podcast image and the script that you generated right now combines into a video of a baby podcast. I need expressions on that video of my baby, and even the movement of my baby. So let's get into it and let's see what I did. So that I created 10 seconds of baby podcast. The baby is this hair with a band rosy cheek. So let's copy the entire thing. We will not read the entire thing. It's perfect. So let's paste it over here. And it will take 97 tokens. So out of so much, it will take 97. So free plan currently disabled due to demand. Oh, I'm so sorry. So I couldn't even. I'm sorry that I'm unable to show you how this thing actually works because of the free plan. But don't worry, I have this exact same video as I generated 2 or 3 videos earlier, and I will show you how that video actually worked. This was the exact same process that I applied to generate that. At the end of this video over here, I will show you right here. This video. In fact, this video, in fact, this was the exact thing that I did. Hang an image, take command. Even this one was a baby image, podcast image of Jay Shetty. I've generated this for wow, just for fun. I uploaded the image of Jay Shetty, the small skit who's from his reels, or a small audio from his reel, and the image I uploaded it, and I irrigated this. I said I will go and baby porn fast so possibly. So this was the exact same process that I applied. I will show you how at the end of this video how these things are working. But you then also do that same for yourself if you want to create this video. So this was the exact same process. I hope you enjoyed this video, and at the end, please don't forget to watch that my previous generated video. You would really love it. And just head on to this platform, play around with this platform. If this thing didn't work, just play around with the images. Sometimes it's happened, you then generate even images, or just go to the home page, scroll down, see what's there, what's different, what's new, and just play around with this tool and you will really enjoy this tool. I hope you love it, and I will see you in the next lecture.